we'll showcase essential car accessories that every driver needs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, these items can make your driving safer and more convenient. Stay tuned. Electric tire inflator. In the past, tires were inflated using manual or foot pumps, but nowadays, a modern electric car tire inflator can quickly inflate tires with minimal effort from the driver. The compressor consists of an electric motor and an air pump, often powered through the car's cigarette lighter socket. Look for models with auto-stop functionality, a built-in pressure gauge. Some even come with adapters for inflating bicycle tires or sports balls. GPS tracker for the car. A small standalone GPS tracker allows you to track the location of your car and can be helpful in case of theft. Advanced GPS trackers can monitor the car's locks, fuel level, and even immobilize the engine remotely, activating only occasionally to send coordinates and await tracking commands. Car vacuum cleaner. An essential tool for car owners who like to maintain cleanliness in their car's interior. Unlike regular vacuum cleaners, car vacuum cleaners can be powered through the car's cigarette lighter socket, making them convenient and easy to use. Look for models with compact sizes and additional attachments for reaching tight spots under the seats. Car dashcam is a useful device that records everything happening on the road in front of the car. It can serve as a reliable witness in critical situations, capturing driving maneuvers, other drivers' behavior, and traffic lights operations. Advanced dashcams may have features like shock sensors that save video clips in the event of an impact, dual camera recording, front and rear, GPS tracking, speed recording, and reminders about speed cameras. Car polishing machine. To maintain the exterior shine of your car, a polishing machine can be a great investment. It can significantly speed up the polishing process compared to manual methods. Professional or semi-professional polishing machines have powerful motors and plug into a standard power outlet. For personal use, consider models with built-in rechargeable batteries for portability. Look for additional attachments and a compact design for ease of use. Car electric kettle. For long journeys or picnics, electric kettle for the car can be very convenient. While it won't boil water as quickly as a regular electric kettle due to the limited power from the car's socket, it can still be handy for making hot beverages. Look for models with additional accessories like tea strainers and cups, and ensure it fits securely in your car's interior. Car jump starter, also known as a booster, is a compact device that can provide a burst of high-power current to jumpstart a car with a dead battery. Some models can also function as power banks to charge various devices. Alcohol breathalyzer. While it might seem funny at first, an alcohol breathalyzer can be a safety measure for yourself and others. After festive events, it can help you ensure you are sober enough to drive safely. Look for professional or semi-professional models that provide accurate readings on the device's display. High-pressure car washer. An indispensable tool not only for car washing, but also for cleaning around your property, such as the patio or fences. Look for models with high pressure and water flow capacity. Pay attention to the material of the water pump, the length of the hose and power cable, the option to add detergent, and the maximum water temperature the washer can handle. Car air purifier. To maintain fresh and clean air inside the car, consider investing in a car air purifier, ionizer, or humidifier. These devices can remove harmful bacteria, odors, and allergens from the air. Car humidifiers can help maintain optimal humidity levels in the car, promoting better health for the occupants. If you enjoyed this video, please leave your comment below and share it with your friends. We always appreciate your feedback. See you next time.